Hello and welcome to the first best of video where we give our pick of the best videos on the internet. Today we'll be taking a look at the best match explosion videos we have found, in no particular order. Let's get started. At number 1 we have a video from the YouTuber The S, who has a whopping 36 million views on his video Match Powered Cardboard Jet. Made from a bit of cardboard, 2 cans and a ton of match heads, it definitely makes for an interesting clip. Check it out. In at number 2 we have a clip from the YouTuber called Just Perfect, where they create a chain reaction fire domino with over 100,000 matches. You can see the level of planning they take to prepare for this video, as it has taken over 250 hours, and it definitely paid off. At number 3, this YouTuber creates a match volcano chain reaction with cool looking purple matches. Although their experiments didn't explode the way they hoped, it still deserves a shout out on our list for the effort gone into preparing it. In at number 4, the YouTuber VolcanoShow creates a very cool domino chain reaction with spheres. Using plasticine, he puts all the matches into it, creating a perfect sphere, and then sets them on fire, creating a huge fireball which looks awesome. Check it out. Made by the YouTuber Fun, this clip consists of a cannon made out of nothing but 100,000 matches, a project that would have taken a long time to prepare, and it certainly has an explosive ending. In at number 6, the YouTuber Firehand creates another volcano which took a long time to prepare. This video has 2 volcanoes in it, with sparklers coming out the top, creating a really cool look. Although the space rockets in this video don't actually take off, it's really cool to see the effort gone into preparing this video, and the large bursts of flames coming off these match rockets at the end. Check it out. We found a very strange and interesting take on match explosion videos with this one. The YouTuber The Q has built a combine harvester from matches without any glue at all. This video has over 40 million views and taken 10,000 plus matches to complete. We found a very special clip for all you Marvel fans out there. The YouTuber For The Craft created a 3D Venom match skull with over 11,000 matches and burned for over 20 seconds, creating a satisfying domino effect. Enjoy! With over 45 million views, Play to DIY creates a space rocket match chain reaction with over 12,000 matches, resulting in a big fiery explosion. So thank you very much for watching our top match explosion video. Found a cool match explosion video that you want us to feature? Write in the comments below, and also if you have any ideas of best of videos for the future, we'd love to hear them.